The mind is a massive tool for our benefit. That mind is like the rudder that directs a ship. See, for your spirit, your mind is so important. If you turn your mind away from what you're supposed to be focusing on, your feeling will die. Can you see that? For whatever it is, your emotions for it. You need your emotions, your feelings, everything must come together, and your mind is responsible for doing that. So you start by channeling your mind to your purpose. You set your mind. Your mind helps you channel all the forces of your spirits in the direction of that focus. So you use your mind, you set your mind. Are you hearing me? He says, thou wilt keep him in perfect peace. That means shalom, shalom, peace, peace. Whose mind is stayed on thee, for he trusted in thee. So God's going to keep him in perfect peace, the peace of prosperity. The man whose mind is focused on him. So you have to focus your mind. You know, some people are fasting, and instead of focusing their mind during their fast, they are thinking about everything else. That fast is useless. You see, why? Because the spirit was not coordinated towards that goal and purpose. See, but if your mind is disciplined, you use your mind to direct yourself. Your mind, you need it. So you focus it, you focus your mind. Now, if your mind proves a little difficult by going this way and that way, there's another tool that has power over the mind. It is your tongue. You see, if your mind is swaying this way and that way, you start talking in the direction of what you want, and your mind will be focused in the direction you want to go. You getting it? Now, once your mind goes in that direction, your emotions will start, because God needs all of that. Hey, somebody said, you can't be emotional with God, but God gets emotional. He said, he that sitteth in the heavens shall laugh. Laughter is an emotion. Anger, God gets angry. Anger is an emotion. Joy is an emotion. And God expresses joy. It's an emotion. See? When Jesus danced, it was an emotion. When Jesus wept, it was an emotion. See? So that's so important. It's so important that you gather your emotion. When you bring your emotion together, oh, your spirit is affected. Then your spirit is now in the condition that is consistent for God to work. You are now in the position, the situation where the Spirit of God can minister to you in a way that you can receive and keep. You know, God talks to many of us every day, but our emotions are not towards him. And so we don't receive what he says. We might even think, oh yeah, I think I heard that. I thought God talked to me. But as long as your emotion is not toward him, it makes no difference. It has no power over you. It doesn't work for you. But when he can speak to you, then your emotions are channeled toward him. Then you receive it in the core of your nature. And then it produces results for you.